Hi, this is Lakshmi Subramanian. I'm going to tell you about the movie Surarai Pottuma. This is the movie which has been released on November 12th with Surya and Aparna Balamurali in the lead. This movie is a step forward, I would say, in Surya's acting career, and also for Aparna Balamurali, it is one of the best characters I would say she has done in this movie because this movie is actually based on the real life story of Captain G.R. Gopinath, who the founder of Deccan, Air Deccan. It is based on his book Simply Fly. The movie is actually shot in a village near Madurai called Cholavandan. The movie where Surya's character Nedumaran Rajangam was actually born, and he was raised there. His father is a school teacher, and he grows in that village, but he doesn't like the way his father fights with the government by way of sending petitions and getting responses for that. He feels that fighting with the government by sending petitions is not the right way, because the government or the rulers will not do anything for the people. That's what he feels, and he's a kind of a guy. The Maran character is a kind of a guy who will always go out to protest. And Surya has emoted this character in all his best ways. He has put his best in the movie, put out his best in the movie, I would say. Like he can smile, he can cry, he can laugh, he can get super angry, and so many emotions in just 2.5 hours. That is the Maran character played by Surya. And Aparna Balamurali's character called Sundari Nedumaran, also as Bommi, is one of the best characters, best woman characters in the recent Tamil movies, I would say, because she's a kind of a woman who always supports her husband, who stands by him, but also wants to be herself. She doesn't give up. That is what Aparna Balamurali, while talking to me about her character and how Sudha Kongara made that character, she was actually in praise for it. She really loved the Bommi character, a woman in a sari, but who's always a fierce lady. So this is the character that Aparna Balamurali's film career should have had the best character. And apart from this, all other characters like the prince of Surya, be it Kali or the character played by Karunas, that is Aparna Balamurali's uncle in the movie. These supporting characters are also made very well, so that they travel along with the main two characters, that is Maran and Sundari Nedumaran in the movie all throughout. And in every scene, when Nedumaran has a emotion or a dialogue to say, if the woman character, that is the Bommi character, also has a scene to emote or a dialogue to say. So the movie is made very well, but at the end we might feel like the movie is little slow, because it is set in the 1990s, when there were no mobile phones, when there were only landline phones that would be connected to the villages only in only in the post offices in the villages, and then they were only pages. So this is when Maran actually wants to launch his own airlines, which will be the low-cost airlines, to fly people from the villages and also the downtrodden people who actually want to experience a good flight. So this is how the character is made. This is because Maran at the first instance feels like this is because Maran actually feels he has to launch the low-cost airline, because being an Air Force officer, he could not come down to his village on time for his father's funeral. So this is the reason why he actually wants to launch a low-cost airline. So how he succeeds in his dreams and how his wife stands as a pillar of support to him is the whole movie. But it is an inspiring story actually. So it says, you dream high, and you reach the sky.